Hi, my name is Alexander from explorer.land. Nature requires our protection and restoration efforts. The newly introduced funding opportunities module lists various ways on how we can support projects, for example by investments, by sponsorship, donation, carbon and biodiversity credits. Within the new funding opportunities module, you can use filter options to narrow down projects, for example by funding type, investment volume, geographical location, impact types and many more. The funding opportunities module connects us with real people actively working on the ground. These people are dedicated to creating a world where economic success, joy and a thriving environment can coexist. Every environmental project literally opens the door, allowing us to engage and invest in the world we envision. So it's time to discover your gateway, the project you wish to partner with. Thank you.